What's going on, YouTube? So I had a question about this camera, which is the original DJI Osmo Pocket 1 from 2018. So someone asked, can I add an external mic to this? All right, so you can add an external mic. This has been around for a long time, and what you would need to do is take this piece off, which is the Bluetooth piece. It won't work just plugging it into the back of this Bluetooth. This type C, it won't work that way. Okay, you can charge, but it won't allow you to connect to the microphone, to the camera that way as far as a microphone. So you have to have this piece open, okay? And then you can pick up this piece, which is from a company called Movo, and this is sold on Amazon. I believe it's about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a post somewhere. I could be wrong on the price. I think that's what I paid for this. I've had this a long time though, but what you have to do is take this piece and plug it into the bottom. Now they used to make a selfie stick that actually held this and you can plug this in, but I guess you would have to like strap the microphone, especially now with all these wireless mics, figure out a way to attach it to that selfie stick to make it work. But what I did was I held it in hand and I used the same microphone I'm using right now, which is my DJI Mics 2, and plugged it into this, and then I'll give you guys a sample of what that sounds like right now. Okay guys, so right now I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 1, the original, with an external mic. And to show you guys that it's working, I'll take a photo to show you that the little microphone is on the screen. For any of you who have DJI products, you know that's how this works, is anytime you have an external mic, it will show that little microphone on the screen itself. This picture quality on this camera is still not bad. For this thing to be 6 years old, I still like the colors on here. They're not bad at all. But the purpose of this video though is to show you guys that you can add an external mic to this little camera. You just have to do it a different way, buying this little adapter piece from Movo off Amazon. I believe it's about 15 bucks to add this, so it's not that big a deal at all. And you can walk and blog with this as I move back and forth. You can't really tell because it's on an actual gimbal instead of using electronic image stabilization. So if you're thinking about picking up the original Pocket, which is probably going to be, you know, somewhere around under 200 bucks, maybe 150 bucks, and hopefully you get one with a good battery, this is the kind of quality you can expect from it, which it's not bad at all. I'm not going to enhance it at all. I just plugged this in. I didn't change anything as far as mic quality. I have the microphone pinned to my shirt, and yeah, works pretty well. Actually, I'm at 4K 50 frames per second. All right guys, I just wanted to show that this does work and it is not an issue using this camera. Okay guys, so this will work just fine holding it in hand and walking, you know, having it on, having that microphone in hand, you know, and walking and blogging, whatever you're doing. I mean, you can actually do it if you wanted to do a selfie, spin the camera around, point it at yourself while you're talking or whatever. It works just fine. But like I said, you may either have to do something 3D printed or find that old selfie stick and try to, you know, rig it to make it work that way if you want to have it on a selfie stick. Otherwise, you know, you can come back and do voiceovers. That's a lot of times what I do. I don't really do a whole lot of blogs where I'm actually using this camera. You know, I'll take it, put it in something like this selfie stick right here, this small little selfie stick I have from Ulanzi. Move that up a little bit. From Ulanzi right here. And I'll take this and hold it and blog, or hold it and film whatever, and then come back and blog after the fact, kind of like what I'm doing right now. So that's it for now, guys. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. I wanted to make sure I answered that question for that individual who had a question about adding an external mic to this little camera. Yes, you can do it without an issue, but you may have to do a little rigging to make it a perfect setup. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.